How to save items on Wishlist on SHEIN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save items to Wishlist on SHEIN. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your SHEIN app or website. It does not matter, just log in into your account after you do so. Then find anything that you want. So let's say that you want to buy this, but if you're not sure and you just want to save it to your wish list, this is what you do. You can also do this when the item is not in stock. So you can just save it in your wish list and then later get back to it when it's restocked. So tap on this heart icon on the bottom left, right besides the add to cart option, and it's been added to your wish list. You can do the same for every other items and it's that simple. To find it, you will have to tap on this heart icon on the top right corner of your shop. Then you'll find all of your wish lists. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.